If you have entered data into an Excel sheet only to realize it would be better as a row rather than a column or vice versa, then knowing how to flip the data is a valuable skill. First off, load the sheet that has the data you want to flip. Here we have a small table about the price of some items. We want to flip this so the price data is in a row, not a column. First, highlight the table, right-click on it, and choose Copy. Now that the data is in the clipboard, click where you want the data to appear. Here we are placing it just right of the original table. Right-click and navigate to Paste Special. In the menu that appears, click on Paste Special. This will open a new window. Click the Transpose checkbox at the bottom and click OK. The data will be inserted into the spreadsheet in the new location, and as you can see, all the data has been flipped, so the prices are now in rows rather than columns. This process will also work the other way round.